Questions! Answers! You sending me questions and me answering them! Q&A, Schoolboy Q, the A-Team, other things that have Q&A in the title. It's gonna be big. Questions! Hello to all my lovely subscribers. To think I only had an handful at the start of the year. I mean, it's not grown much. It's not like I'm Mr. Beast. It's pathetic, really. But when I'm not making YouTube videos about anything I want, anytime I feel like it, I'm giving to charity, kissing babies, and that other job I have. You know, like the making the videos and stuff. But because that's mind-numbingly boring, let's concentrate on the fun stuff. A couple of weeks back, I asked over on the old Instagram for your questions, so here we go. Question 1 is from Johnny Finn 101. Why do your eyes look so lifeless and dead? I've never really thought about it much. Perhaps it's because when I'm concentrating making videos, I forget to blink and my eyes dry out. Maybe if I do a little blink for you, it won't be so scary. Question 2 by Charlie.Anna. Favourite spot for dogging in the Thanet area? Question mark? Now, don't think just because I got a dog as a face I like a bit of dogging. But the last time I checked it was a Captain Digby car park in Broadstairs, which is just up the road from where they filmed that EastEnders episode where Danny Dyer got killed off.
You're coming with me and she wants it.
Stop!
Don't worry, I know it was emotional last night. It was a very, very nutty episode.
Which one of you was responsible for that, Recce? Question 3 from Natasha Evaristo _photography. Why don't you make more BTS content about your music videos and do filmmaking tips and that? Because, Natasha, I'd rather blow my own fucking brains out. Question 4 from James Wade 2K. What's your favourite lens to use for your videos? Right, that's it, I'm doing it. So my favourite lens I've used for years is the Canon 16-35 Awesome 2. I love the Awesome 2. It was my first proper lens I ever bought for my Canon 5D back in the day, like 12 years ago. It made things look nice and wide, but you could also zoom in a bit if you wanted to as well. I still use it to this day on my Sony Fux 3 with a little adapter. It's pretty heavy for a lens though, which is good because you can also use it to smash annoying bands' faces in as well. Andrew Kitty, what's your favourite treat? Acupuncture. Question 6 from Untitled Film Podcast reads, Jesus, what an unfortunate name. So are you like half human, half dog hybrid? Were you born or created in a lab? Well, the answer's a lot less exciting than you might think. My mum put me in the washing machine as a baby after I climbed into the wash bin by accident. Apparently one of my socks was in the wash and it had a picture of a dog on it. That's it. That's as much as I know. Albatross Wonders Art asked, best Silent Hill game? I've never really played them. Hang on. The second one. Oh, actually, this is the wrong one. Hang on. The second one. Question 8 from Rocket Like It's Hot. Do you believe in portals? And if so, where would you hope one would take you? Well, I got that one that appears in the wall here from time to time.
Hey, close the portal, you dog-headed fuck!
Eh?
Ooh, look at me! I'm a videographer too scared to be myself, so I hide behind a mask. Very original. You know, of all the dimensions I've ever looked into, yours is the most pathetic. Maybe he's doing it for all the right reasons, you know? Like Batman. He makes the world a better place. This guy puts on a dog mask and makes videos about nothing. He makes music videos and short films, but never talks about it. I mean, who does that? Oh, yeah, I guess you're right. Hey, fuck you, Dogbrain videos. Yeah, get fucked, dog fuck.
Didn't you get done for, like, domestic battery? Question 10 from Gangband420. Does the carpet match the drapes? I have a roller blind. Question 11, another one from Rocket Like It's Hot. Does doggy style refer to your cinematography style or something else? Well, I don't think it refers to my style of cinematography, not unless I were filming everybody from behind. What is it with you lot on the dogging? Charlie's Tune says, can you give us a tour of your pad? Okay then, let me grab the camera here. so not many people get to see this. This is the official Dogbrain videos pad of ideas. The first page isn't really an idea, it's just a funny to get me in the mood. I can give up chocolate, but I'm not a quitter. Next up, we have a nice diagram of a person in a camera position. This sort of reminds me what I have to do. There's also a sun here indicating that it's a naturally lit scene. Oh, looks like my nephew's been in here. Here we go. Netflix film ideas. The Man That Hanged Himself Twice. A documentary about twins separated at birth, but years later end up fucking each other by accident. Another documentary. Why don't scissors work in your left hand? Honestly, why? Try it if you don't believe me. And finally, The Apprentice, but not racist. But that just about does it for all my questions today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, what's this? My nephew's bought me a last minute question that's probably come in by fax machine. Is that it? Go on then, get lost. This one's from Anonymous. Can you unblock the adult content filter on my iPhone? Nephew, I know you think that's clever, but do you really think I'm the one who cares enough to have done that to you? You'd have to ask your auntie. What? She's dead? Oh, sorry. I sometimes get mixed up what you say on account of it's just a single stupid little bark. Yeah, she's in the garden probably. Take it outside. Poor sod. Nephew moved in with us last year after his mum and dad ripped a toddler's arm off and got put down. On his auntie's side, that is, not my side. Anyway, I hope this little video's helped you learn a bit more about what I get up to here at Dogbrain Videos. Well, not really, apart from the bit about the lens. My job isn't just lens, like a Ken's job is just beach. Anyway, stay tuned for my upcoming review of Surreal Cereal. Why cereal? I don't know. YouTube content?
Don't be concerned. Mick needed a rest. It was time for him to move on, a new chapter. I want to take this opportunity and thank all my castmates, every single one of you. I love you all very, very dearly. I'm very honoured to have worked with you for as long as I have, and I'll relish them moments for the rest of my life.